Yo.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss, yeah. He gon' find another girl and you gon' miss, yeah.
So I've seen this thing on my YouTube recommendation pages multiple times and I'm confused. It is called a boy beat. A boy beat is when you put on makeup. People call it a no makeup look, but you're trying to look like a boy because it's called a boy beat. I don't get it.
Y'all are going to jail! Period!
Did y'all know that when I do makeup videos, all my makeup is over there and I sit all the way over here, so that means every single time I have to stand up and get stuff. It's very inconvenient and it doesn't help out my laziness. And by the way, I'm over here, my mirror's over there, so I'm gazing. This is all very inconvenient. My bathroom is way too small for me. I need a really nice, spacious bathroom. You know what, you guys? I am not okay. I have gotten so many F's so far this year. And technically the year just kind of, wasn't it? I don't know, because the school year's ending in about it's almost a third marking period. Oh, whoa, that's scary. That is disgusting. So it is almost the third marking period already, and then after that we'll have one marking period left and then school's over. So watch me be in high school like tomorrow. So like my views on high school, I don't think it'll be scary because I feel like the only reason why people's high school's experience is bad is because they make it bad themselves. Like all you have to do is be nice. I don't understand. Like if you're just nice to everybody you see, then your high school experience will be amazing. You make it awful. So don't say, oh my gosh, my high school experience was so disgusting. Like everybody hated me. What'd you do? Dummy. You stummy. You stupid and dumb me. I'm nice to everybody. I hope at my school. Comment down below if I'm nice. I'm nice to everybody. At least I hope I am. I mean, if I'm not, then that's your problem because I'm nice. I'm only mean when I have to be. Just don't make me mean. That's pretty easy. Just don't push my buttons. I'm gonna use this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I'm gonna use this because hopefully it's my shade, because since it is the winter time, it's the winter time now. My other foundation, my Maybelline one, it's obviously not gonna work. I'm only putting it in certain spots. I'm not putting this all over my face, or am I? I don't know. I'm just gonna shut up. I'm gonna really try and cover spots because boys are very natural. I just got it all in my eyebrows, so we're just gonna smear it off. So I'm gonna take some concealer, this NYX concealer, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of highlight under the eyes, like that much. But we're gonna add bags later because guys are all ugly and they're all tired. I'm so sorry. I'm literally, you know what, this is the type of YouTuber I am. I'm very lazy and you guys are seeing it. I'm just gonna lean back the whole time because I'm not trying to look like all professional and ish. What type of lighting does beauty gurus use? I wonder what type of lighting they use. Cause did you know, okay listen, because when you see them beauty gurus without their like special little lighting, they look kind of crappy. I'm sorry. Like, let's be real, okay? I bet you in real life they still look very nice and very poreless, you know? But like when their Instagram photos and their YouTube videos, they look amazing. They look flat. or yeah, they look flat. If you see photos of them unedited, they look ugly. But I guess like when you actually see the real pictures of them, you're like, they look really disgusting. And they might not even look that disgusting, but since they look perfect all the time and then you see them and they don't look perfect, you're just like, oh, you look ugly. I'm not blending anything, so why do I keep on pouncing on my face? Very confusing, very uneven. You know, the dark marks are still peeking through, you know. Yeah, I look like a guy so far. This is really weird and really inappropriate, kind of, but I'm still gonna bring it up because it's my channel, not yours. So I have a question. What's your opinions in the comments? Comment down below. Okay, I'll put it this way. Your father, when he was in your grandmother's womb, weren't you in your grandmother's womb too? Because the male, right? The male makes sperm cells at 8 or 9 months. I'm not sure. Somebody, my friend told me that, and I believe it because she's really smart. You make sperm cells. The guy makes sperm cells, right? In the womb. So weren't you in the womb? So technically, I'm like 60 years in sperm years. Technically, right? So the amount of time that your dad was in your grandmother's womb, plus all the time before he had you and before it was released, then that is how old you really are. Technically, you are old. You are old as frick. You are very old, okay? Don't pretend that you're not. I mean that you are not old or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. You are very old. So wait, aren't men pregnant then? Because is men pregnant because technically, I don't know what I'm saying. Isn't the man pregnant because the way the baby is made, technically the sperm is the baby. It becomes the baby once it hits the egg, I get it. But the human, the egg don't move. Eggs don't move. The sperm cell does. So guess what? There are living people in guys. So aren't guys pregnant? And then they are not pregnant anymore once they give their baby to the mother and then the mother is pregnant? I can't make this up. Like, it just all makes sense, you know? Like, the man is pregnant. Then he gives his pregnancy to the woman. And then the woman has the baby. So are men pregnant most of their lives? So that means if you are a man and you did not give any babies to nobody, then you have been pregnant your whole life. I'm just saying. Spilling real tea, real facts. Sorry to be flexing on y'all because I'm so smart. But it's just the truth, you know, it's just the truth.
You're jealous. You are just like a rat jumping around the corner looking for a food. Very jealous.
Now we're gonna add a lot of contour. I don't know how to do this because we're trying to have a sharp jawline. We're trying to look like the Black Dolan twins. Also, I have another theory. Are all humans related? Because we all came from the same spot. You know? Technically, our mother is the Big Bang theory. Oh no, Big Bang. It's the Big Bang. No, but the Big Bang is our mother, because the Big Bang created absolutely everything. So the Big Bang is our mother, and we're all her children. So, are we all related? Am I related to Rihanna? Am I related to Beyonce? Am I related to Justin Bieber? That is very disgusting, but it's true. Trump doesn't count because he's not human. He's like just a rodent, a rat. A rat. We're gonna add blush now. I'm gonna do it really lightly. I'm just trying to look like I'm blushing, you know? Like I'm very light. If I was white, I would just pack this. That's so... I'm not even gonna say it's me because it's not, because it's just a fact. Black people don't blush. Do black people blush? Can they blush? I know guys don't wear highlight, but I like highlight. So we're gonna put a little bit, just like a little glow. We're gonna do my eyebrows.
Fake ass, lying ass, dumb ass bitch, and I'm just tired of her.
We're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm in this Lorac palette, and I'm gonna use Tell No Tales. And just not even care. Just spread it all over.
And yes, she is a bitch. B-I-C-T-H.
This looks so bad. A little bit underneath for the tired eye look. Okay, so for mascara, I'm using this CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro. This is the worst mascara I've ever tried in my whole entire life. It's awful. Since it's such a bad mascara, and it doesn't do anything, I think it's perfect for this look. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow pomade and my eyebrow brush, and we're just gonna, okay, so the freckles look awful. Next, I'm just gonna take this clear gloss, and we're just gonna, I don't know why I put setting spray on, because what? Plot twist, I'm gonna take this off right when I take off. This video is so bad. It is terrible. It is awful. This boy beat? Boy beat? Are you kidding me? This is setting spray, not sweat. Boy beat? I'm gonna take this off. It is almost 1 a.m.
Yo.
Oh, bye.